The answer is a resounding no. You do not need a Paysend account to receive money. Let me say that again so it settles in your heart. If a child, a grandchild, a friend, or an employer wants to send you money using Paysend, you do not have to sign up, you do not have to create a password, you do not have to jump through hoops, and you do not have to give a new app your personal details just to get what is rightfully yours. Now, why am I bringing this up to you today? Because as you enter retirement, or as you prepare to transition into this beautiful next chapter of your life, technology moves at lightning speed. Every week there is a new app, a new service, a new fintech promise. And with every new digital tool comes a fresh dose of fear and uncertainty. You might be sitting at your kitchen table, looking at your phone or your computer, and somebody says, "Hey, I sent you money through Paysend." And immediately, your stomach tightens. You think, "Oh goodness, do I have to download another app? Do I have to give them my social security number? Am I going to get charged a fee to take my own money out? Is this a scam?" I get it. I completely get it. In retirement, your money isn't just numbers on a screen, it is your independence. It is your peace of mind. It is the security you worked 40, 50 years to build. You cannot afford to make a mistake, and you certainly don't want to get tricked into signing up for services you don't want or need. So let's clear up the confusion right now, plain and simple. When someone uses Paysend to transfer money to you, they are the ones using the service. They are the sender. Paysend is simply the courier. Think of them like the digital mail carrier. When the mail carrier drops an envelope in your mailbox, do you need to own a mail truck to open it? Of course not. Paysend works by delivering money directly to where you already have a financial footprint. Depending on how the sender sets it up, that money lands directly into your existing bank account, via your standard account and routing numbers, or directly to your bank debit card. Directly onto your debit or credit card. That's it. You sit back, relax, and let the funds arrive where you are already comfortable doing business. You do not need to register on Paysend's website. You do not need to download their mobile application. You do not need an account. Now, let's talk about the fear that keeps so many retirees up at night: security and fees. First, fees. When you are receiving money through Paysend, you do not pay a receiving fee. If your daughter sends you $200, you should get $200 in your account, assuming your local bank doesn't charge incoming wire or card transfer fees, which most standard checking accounts do not for routine card deposits. Do not let anyone tell you that you must pay Paysend to release your funds. If you ever get an email or a text claiming you have to pay a fee or enter your credit card information on a website to unlock a Paysend transfer, stop immediately. That is a scammer trying to take advantage of you, not the real service. Second, safety. Because you don't need an account, you shouldn't be giving out sensitive account credentials to anyone. To receive a transfer, the sender typically only needs your full legal name and either your bank account details or your 16-digit debit card number, the exact same information required for standard direct deposits or standard bank transfers. Never give anyone your online banking password, your PIN, or two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Real money transfers never require your password to receive funds. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? What do you actually need to do if someone tells you they want to send you money via Paysend? Here is your step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Keep it simple. Tell the sender, "Great, please send it directly to my existing bank account or debit card." Give them only the standard information needed for a deposit, your name as it appears on the account, and your bank details or debit card number. Step 2. Stand strong and say no to unnecessary sign-ups. If the sender says, "You have to create a Paysend account first," politely correct them. Remind them that Paysend allows direct-to-card and direct-to-bank deposits without the recipient needing an account. Do not let anyone pressure you into signing up for financial platforms you don't intend to use regularly. Step 3. Monitor, don't panic. Once the sender initiates the transfer, give it time. Transfers to debit cards are often almost instant, while transfers to bank accounts can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 3 business days depending on your bank. Check your standard online bank account or phone your bank directly to confirm the deposit arrived safely. Step 4. Protect your information. Keep your guard up. Verify that any text or email notification you receive actually matches what your friend or family member told you. If something feels off, pick up the phone and call the person sending you the money directly. Retirement is your time to enjoy the fruits of your labor, not to stress over unnecessary digital headaches. Technology should serve you, not make your life more complicated. You hold the power, you hold the control, and now you have the knowledge. You do not need a Paysend account, you do not need extra clutter in your digital life, and your money is safe right where it belongs, in your existing bank account.